He says, Shanti Deva give me a lot of problem. But, among us, okay, including myself, I think laziness is also very happy with me also. Yes. Try, but he is very strong. He or she, I don't know. Very strong. So, now, I'm not just telling to you, okay, I'm telling to myself also. Now, we really have to eat this medicine so that our disease of laziness will be possible to be removed from the mind. I don't know how I connected. Was it clear? Yeah, because today I'm a bit emotional again. My mind is also a little bit like weather in Dharamsala. I was trained by Dharamsala weather, yes, so. So my focus is we have to practice. Okay, we have to practice because you spend time coming here and your energy, time, and leaving everything. Some are coming from Tel Aviv, some are coming maybe from Jerusalem, some are from Haifa, and some are coming from different places. Okay, I think it's a huge motivation. Otherwise, you will not come. So now it is very, very important to listen very carefully and then try to see in such a way that how I can practice, how I can. Not intention, don't intend to receive as much as possible, but listen, okay, as much technique as possible. How I can apply in a practical way. And then if you have some questions, that will be very good. That will be very good. If you don't agree with some of my explanation, that is not a big problem. But if it causes problem to you to apply into your problem, then you have to ask question. It's more relevant. It's like quite a big area, so we can't pay so much focus on each and every step, but based on your practice, just based on your practice. Now, I want you to practice this, okay? If something I say, which is totally contradicting according to your understanding and practice, then you just ask question. On the way when I'm giving teaching, no problem, okay? And then, of course, if possible, try to answer during the question-answer session. If not, it's very, very important. The family where I stayed till yesterday, when Tami and Rami, they were discussing, okay, all the time they were discuss. And they always said, oh, okay, Genla comes, then we will ask. Oh, okay, this you don't agree, I don't agree, so there's quite a big distance between us. So when Gela comes, we will ask. But when we didn't get any time to discuss all these things. But at the end, they expressed this. Oh, we have many things to ask when Gela comes. Now Gela was there. Now Gela's visit is ended, so we didn't ask any question. Yeah, so I think it happens, okay? It happens. That's very important when you are practicing, and any types of question is very relevant and valuable. Intellectual question, I think we have enough intellectual questions, okay? We should not be blown, okay? We should not be blown by intellectual questions, okay? Just we have to be lent, put our feet on the ground, and then see, okay, what I can practice, what I really wanted to practice. Based on this, you listen with a good motivation, and based on this, you ask question, And I will also try to be sincere, and I will try to answer. And I'm also, I have to tell that related with Shantideva's text, I must have received many, many teachings from His Holiness Dalai Lama. Many, I think, many, yes. I think maybe more than 10 times or something. Yes, I received many teachings since I was a young boy. I listened to this teaching many times. And then also, this is also important because the connection. So now I will try to talk in this way. We are trying to listen, and I'm trying to give some guidance, which is not my guidance, but I'm trying to take the guidance from Shantideva, and he really practiced, as you know. If you read his life, he really practiced, he experienced, and he achieved, and then he explained all these things. So there's no mistake. And he also based on Buddha, exactly what the Buddha's teaching. And also the teachings of Nagarjuna and the Buddha Bhava. And Chandkirti and all, they are like in a big sort of circle, the best spiritual teachers from Nalanda University. So this text is very, very authentic. Very, very authentic. So I will try not to pollute this, I will try not to pollute this, and I will try my best with good intention to explain. And then we just have to think that we are sick with laziness, Now we are trying to get some sort of guidance, some prescription to be practiced, to be taken, And I really hope so that the disease of laziness will be slowly removed. And then the medicine is joyful effort. More we cultivate joyful effort, the laziness has to go because they are antidote. They cannot remain together in one person without harming each other. The joyful effort and the laziness, they fight, they fight. And then more we have laziness, I think the laziness will overcome, and then the joyful effort has to slowly disappear. If we practice more joyful effort, and then laziness has to be smaller and smaller, weaker and weaker, and it has to go. But these two strongly cannot reside in us simultaneously. It can go, but it cannot remain alive, very alert together. Joyful effort and laziness cannot remain in us totally awakened, activated. It's not possible because they are antidote each other. And then in turn, this is the medicine. Joyful effort is the medicine to remove laziness.